Famalaaay, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emanuel, and this is where we cherish the skin we're in. Now let's play with some colors, honey. So this is the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Energizing Primer, and you're just gonna need like a little bit and press that into your skin, honey. Look at that morning glow, child. Okay, so after putting on my primer, I normally put a powder over my eyebrows so that the eye pencil can stick. Yeah, all right. This is the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Hot Chocolate number 2. So what you're gonna do is, over that powder on your eyebrow, take your time, alright? Go as light as possible, and you can always build up because it's easier to fix a problem that's like lightly there than to try and correct it when you've like doused your whole face in eye pencil really hard. So you're gonna use your angle brush and blend that eye pencil into your eyebrow. Okay, so this has a crazy long name. Alright, forgive me. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Satin Finish. Alright, and it is in medium sand. Whew. Okay, so you're gonna put that on your eyelids and basically use that as your base for your eyeshadow. If you want your eyeshadows to pop, that is. If you don't, well, you can just put it on your bare skin and go on about your business, okay? But yeah, if you want your eyeshadow to pop, give you the brilliance that you paid for, you use a concealer or a eyeshadow base for your eyeshadow to pop. Okay, all right. So for this part, you're going to use a fluffy blending brush, and you're going to blend that as seamlessly as you can into your skin. Alright, mostly the edges, so that it doesn't dry and look weird when you start to put your foundation over it. Okay, so what I'm using to shape the top of my eyebrow is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation, and that's in 502 Warm Caramel. You're gonna want to go a little bit, below your skin complexion, but not as white as the color that's on your eyelid, because we don't want you out here looking like Boo Boo the Clown, okay? And this this is where you blend it all out, because you don't want any harsh lines underneath your foundation, because it's going to be very, very difficult to, you know, correct that. So now that they're kind of damp, you make sure that you blend it out. This is the e.l.f. color correcting stick, and it's in deep dark tones, and we're going to color correct these dark areas, honey, especially these craters that I've created on my face. Oh, pimple picking is such a sin. Now this is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Lightweight Mousse, alright, and it's in the Flawless Finish. It's in 503 MOCHA. I normally use a sponge to blot away any excess before I go in with my other foundations. So right now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation, and this is in 330 Accra. gonna get your contour kit and basically use a shade that is near to your skin complexion, alright, and buff out or blend out the areas close to your eyeshadow, alright, so that it looks seamless or close to that. So you're gonna apply your blush, and yeah, I know I overdid with the blush, but hey, it is what it is, man. Just blend that out, okay? Alright, so in the e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette, you're going to use the gold, which is basically called Spicy, and use that as your shimmer or your, your blush highlighter thing. Hey, I'm an artist doing makeup, okay? Forgive me if I don't get all these terms correctly, alright? Just put something on there to make it look shiny. Yeah, that. My beautiful people, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Alright, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.